Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for the part 2 of the barn find Nissan Skyline R34 restoration project. If you have watched the first part, you would have seen that the model was in terrible state and in desperate need of attention. As the paint was a bit worse for wear, I have stripped the model to bare metal and primed it. Unfortunately, this was done off camera. As you can see here, I have started painting the model in black base. It's Mr. Hobby 1500 Surfacer, great product and I cannot recommend it high enough. The reason for the black base is, as you'd already seen it, the model is being repainted in flip tone paint. And to achieve the best result, black base is key. You could of course use different color base paint, however the effect would be significantly different. Once all of the body parts have been painted black and left to dry for a couple of hours, it's time to start painting the main color. This beautiful paint is from my favorite paint supplier, Custom Paints, and the color I've chosen for this car is from their Chroma Code range. The color itself is called cyan. Reason for selecting this color is that it resembles the Midnight Purple 3 very well, and whilst it's not the exact match, it looks absolutely stunning. Flip paints generally cover extremely well over the black base, and I have sprayed only 2 layers of the flip paint to achieve the full effect. I have painted out the window trims in black and decided to add some carbon fiber decals to the B-pillars as well as the rear wing. The decals themselves are from Diecast. I'll leave the link in the description. You should definitely check it out for some absolutely amazing 1/18 scale specific car parts. Once everything had dried and cured, I have started the process of clear coating the car. For this purpose, I'm using Custom Paint's Show Quality 2K Clear Lacquer, mixed as 2 parts lacquer and 1 parts hardener. The first layer is quite thin. After about 15 minutes cure time, I spray second layer, which then is wet. That's how you start achieving the high gloss look. For the third layer, I add 10% thinner into the mix so that the lacquer self-levels much better. That way you're left with a fantastic high gloss result. That's then left overnight to cure. that is it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.